Yeah, fireworks.
Maybe small, but it gets very hot.
I'll go bring on the next one I want to choose. Where are the little circles?
Here?
No, the circular ones. Are they back in their box?
You can do the snakes in the daytime. You don't need to do it at night. Oh.
Yeah, those. We got some flash fountains. Can I bring it to him?
Oh, I got it. Don't. What do you have?
This one's better. The wick's not broken.
Another one after that.
Yeah.
The flash?
Yeah, flashers. I love flashers.
No, don't. Because then you have to go to the eye doctor and you need the light.
Look at how bright that is.
That's cool though. It's like light.
The law says that you're only allowed to shoot fireworks on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve.
This is your last one? You gonna do it now?
This is my last one?
Is it? I don't know. You tell me.
No, I don't think so.
It's not your last one. Back up.
Another flasher, y'all. We got some big ones for the
See
end.
that from an airplane.
You can.
Oh, absolutely you could.
Alex, can I pick the next one? I would pick. No, I want to pick.
Take this one. Pick that one.
Here. We got the next one, another little fountain.
Baby fountain.
You could hear those. Those are, I don't know if you guys can hear them, but. Oh, it looks like fire.
A little bit hotter. Oh, it didn't last as long.
Don't breathe, though. What are you going?
Can I turn on the light?
Here. I got this one decided.
Is this what Alexander wants to do?
No, it's what I want to do because he said I get to pick this one. Lighting edge. Oh, this one's good.
Yeah, that one's a little better.
Our short stack. Let me see. Right there.
Here we go. This one's live. I know how this part works.
Let's listen. Let's listen. Listen
Here we
down.
go. This is the longest fountain yet. Back up here a bit. It's gonna get loud. Here it goes.
The best one yet. That was a big one.
We did not.
No, it's rain dance.
Rain dancing.
Rain dancing. We're dancing in the rain.
When?
Like we were yesterday.
Yeah, we were dancing in the rain.
You
Dancing.
don't have to use them all. You can use them at another day. Oh. Well, look at the smoke going that way.
That was a big boy.
It always goes towards her house. I don't know why.
Even if the wind's not even going, it always goes to her house. We got rain dancing. We're dancing in the rain. We got rain dance.
Don't like the ones that use tape. Like, oh, you're asking that. Just do it.
Let's go back here like we did with
Look at
the.
that smoke. It's still going.
My cool shoes.
Here it goes.
Look at
Rain
this.
dance.
This way up. This is going to be a blast. It's like last.
See, Alex, come back, come back. Yesterday we used one of our biggest ones. sauce. It's not as good. Ready or not? I'm doing it.
We got so much smoke.
Oh my gosh.
Now wait, Alexander, stop. Why aren't you managing your own fireworks?
The fireworks right here.
Okay. Illy is like so much ahead.
We're doing the ready or not. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stand right here because this one might be big. Oh!
Same as the other two. This might have loud pop.
Yes! That one was good.
That made a lot of smoke.
Yeah, that did, and it's going towards Miss Margaret's house again. We're doing United?
I don't want it to go in her direction.
Oh, it's not going in her direction this time.
Alright, I want to clean up a little bit here.
Yeah. That one's hard to open, probably.
Ooh, that's still hot.
Which one, the
This one.
short stack?
Yeah, because he was the biggest.
Hot still.
He was the biggest one.
This will be fine.
Has the glow fuse.
Yes, glow fuse.
You're gonna do the bigger. That's the last one you're gonna do, huh?
Second last.
Yeah, this is our last.
Because you don't want to do snakes, so what else?
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine.
We could do the snakes tomorrow. And I'll search up.
Do the snakes in the daytime because.
I'll search up how to use these.
Alright.
Because I'm pretty sure there would be a tutorial on how to do them. We got our biggest firework yet.
No, blow.
I'm surprised that Sims Park fireworks didn't do that. But they're also over water. You like my new soccer ball, Alex? You like my soccer ball?
Here goes. United. This has got silver crackle.
Oh!
Oh, look at that.
I found a tree frog.
Alexander, you gonna watch? Here you go.
Oh! Whoa! That was the biggest right there. You see him?
Oh, I see him. Oh.
Oh, he jumped. Go get the next one ready.
Well, we gotta finish them out. We got one more, I think.
Yeah, we got one more. And then tomorrow we could try to figure out how morning glories work. Oh, we got one of those?
Look at that smoke.
No, we have way more.
My goodness.
We're gonna do that. Go get that one ready. It looks like a Beyblade. He's getting the next one ready. Those sound cool.
Smoke, they need wind so that smoke blows away.
I don't know if you guys could hear it, but there's some fireworks. Plop. There's some fireworks. Plop.
This is it? Last one?
We still have the little ground bloom flowers left.
This is the big boy. The big boy. Big
Just as big as the United.
big boy.
Just as big as United.
Oh, whoa! I've never seen fireworks. public though.
That's cool.
That's cool. Next year, I might buy some fireworks, and I might use my fireworks.
Costs money.
I know.
When it's over, we gotta go.
We are done.
No, we're not.
Almost. We're almost done. You guys, we only have 2 more of these, and then we're done. You guys, watch this blade blade. Blade blade. We got 2 more. These are our last 2. Only if we could have recorded yesterday. Yesterday was
Look at the
so
smoke
much
from the other
fun.
fire.
There's no wind, and the smoke is just sitting.
These are our last 2.
Hold on.
Oh.
Leave it in the middle of the street.
Wait, don't we have one more firecracker?
All right, here we go.
Oh, true.
Watch this. Fire in your hole.
Fire in the hole.
Happy birthday, July.
Oh yeah, this is July's birthday.
Now, today's Black Cap's birthday.
It actually is.
Yesterday was July's birthday.
July's birthday is on July 4th.
Wow, that was probably the best one.
And it was the last one. We have one more.
This is an actual fire in the hole.
Huh?
This is our last one.
The last one.
Don't miss the concrete, because it lands in the grass, you lose.
Fire in the hole!
Shouting like that is not good.
Alex, whoop, we gotta clean up all the boxes. We're saving the magic snakes for tomorrow. And the morning.
Alexander's going to research the other ones, how we work that.
I'll do it.
I'll do it.
Bye-bye. Fireworks done.